In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Play Store if it's missing on your Android device. First, check if the Play Store has been disabled. Open your phone settings and go to Apps. Scroll down and find Google Play Store in the list of installed apps. Tap on it, and if you see an Enable button, select it. Once enabled, the Play Store should reappear on your home screen or app drawer. If you still can't find it, check whether it has been moved to a secure folder or hidden apps section. Open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, then look for Secure Folder. If it's set up, open it and see if the Google Play Store is located there. If it is, move it back to your main app list. After making these changes, return to your home screen and search for the Play Store. It should now be available and ready to use. That's it for this tutorial. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.